All right, the wig I have today is from WigShe, and they gifted me this wig. It is gorgeous. She's 22 inches long. I'm going to put all the details in the description below. But this is just gorgeous. If you're looking for a human hair wig, this is 100% Remy human hair. It's a gorgeous color. It took a couple of months for it to arrive to me. They made it especially for me. I told them what I'd like, how long I wanted it, and the color. And you know me in reds, I love this color. Just gorgeous. The knots are bleached, and you can see here at the hairline, it's just beautiful. You can't see anything really here. It just looks like it's coming out of your scalp. So this wig, we had to cut the lace. So there's another video on a short that shows me with looks like a bridal veil. And I cut the lace on the camera so you can see how I do that. It's scary at first, but it's relatively simple. So let's put this beauty on. She, like I said, is very long, and that's intentional. I like long hair because you can see I already have short hair. So I've never been able to grow my own hair long. I've always wanted long hair. I used to wear a fall, and I don't know if you know what that is, but a fall that would attach here when I was in marching band. So it would go like this, and I'd look like I had long hair. So this kind of brings me back to high school days. So we're going to pop up, and we're going to adjust this, and you are going to see how pretty this hair is. So I've just had her kind of traveling with her, so we're going to play with this part line. You can see it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. I know you might say, well, it's awfully red right there. It's supposed to be. It's red hair. Hello. So I've cut the lace really close. I probably could cut it a little bit shorter here, but I like it. I like this hair coming out. And then I'll just play with her and see what I want to do. I'm going to stand up here on my fireplace so you can see how long she is. She's really a long girl. I love it though. So again, this is from WigShe, and let's see if I can turn around for you. I don't think I can get me and the hair in the same shot, but you can see kind of the back, the side. I have some other videos with me walking in her. She's super comfortable. Surprisingly, she is kind of lightweight, not super heavy. Some of these wigs, when they get to be 22 inches, are heavy. This is human hair. I've retrained the part a little bit. It wasn't quite over as far as I wanted it, so I just kind of moved some hair. And again, it's free parting all through here. It's all hand tied. Just gorgeous. Just a beautiful wig. So I'm a fan. WigShe, thank you so much for this beautiful piece. I love the colors. It's just absolutely stunning. Maybe if we back the camera up, we can do a little... Let's see if we back it up, if I can get in the whole shot. Yes, here we go. There she is. So I'm envisioning doing a little half up, half down number and wearing her like this. I'll wear her this summer on my boat because in the sunlight, this color is just stunning. She'd also be cute here in the wintertime. I get snow. So all sorts of fun things. I hope that's helpful. Now, I have written a book, and the link is in my bio here. And also, I have a website. So if you'd like to join my mailing list, there's going to be some new things happening this year. It's January right now, 2026. And I've got all sorts of fun things planned for us this year. So check it out. Thank you for joining. This is a great family of women who really support each other and wearing wigs. It's super fun. If you haven't tried it, it might be your sign. Have a great day. Mwah.